When you search for the best LED headlights for your Jeep Wrangler JL, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to really figure out what makes a difference on the road, you've got to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, TrueMod's 9-inch LED headlights. Let's kick things off with the TrueMod's 9-inch round LED headlights. Priced at $213.99, these headlights caught my attention with their bold design and robust features. If you want to ditch the dull factory look and give your Wrangler a cybernetic edge, this is worth a serious look. These headlights are not just about looks. They feature a sharp Z-shaped cutoff that ensures your light is aimed perfectly, preventing glare for oncoming traffic. With an IP67 waterproof rating, you don't have to worry about rain or muddy trails, and the aluminum housing ensures durability. Plus, the plug-and-play harness makes installation a breeze without any complicated wiring. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Better visibility means safer night driving, especially off-road. Now, some folks have mentioned that the installation instructions could be clearer. Here's the thing though, if you DIY a lot, you'll likely find this straightforward. But if you're not that handy, you might want to have a friend help out. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance both the look and functionality of your Jeep at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you want something ultra simple without any customization. Considering the features, it really offers excellent value for money. Now, if the installation concerns bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Online LED Store Dual Halo DRL Headlights. Another great option, the Online LED Store 9-inch round LED headlights with Dual Halo DRL, retailing at $259.99. These headlights bring an aggressive off-road style that really turns heads. If you want to be seen while cruising the trails, this is definitely worth considering. What truly stands out here is the intense 6000K cold white light output. This means you get bright, clear visibility that makes night driving a lot safer. The lightweight aluminum housing is built for toughness, and the IP67 waterproof rating ensures they won't quit on you during a rainstorm. Plus, the plug-and-play installation simplifies the upgrade process, making it accessible for anyone. Here's why this matters. Clearer lighting can significantly enhance your trail visibility, keeping you safer on those late-night adventures. On the downside, some users have reported flickering issues, but honestly, this can often be fixed with a simple adjustment or check on your vehicle's wiring, so it's not a deal breaker if you're willing to troubleshoot a bit. This is perfect for you if you frequently take your Jeep off-road and want maximum visibility with an eye-catching design. Skip it if you prefer a more classic headlight look. For the features you're getting, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize durability.
Product number 3, Unishine 2-pack LED headlights. Let's talk about the Unishine 9-inch LED headlights, priced at $169.99 for a pack of 2. This caught my eye because it's not only budget-friendly, but also promises a unique design. If you're looking for an affordable upgrade without sacrificing quality, this is worth checking out. These headlights come with an impressive 50,000-hour lifespan, and their waterproof IP67 rating means they can handle any weather. The Z cutoff design minimizes glare, making nighttime drives safer for you and other drivers. What's great is the easy screw adjustment for beam direction, which means you can customize your visibility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Being able to adjust the beam ensures you get the best possible view of the road ahead. However, some users mentioned that the installation instructions lack detail. I'll be real with you, if you're new to DIY projects, this could be a bit frustrating, but once you get through it, you'll appreciate the value. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective solution that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this one if you want the absolute latest in headlight technology. Considering its lifespan and performance, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you need something even more rugged, the next product might catch your attention.
Product number 4, TrueMod's Crystal Halo DRL Headlights. The TrueMod's 9-inch round LED headlight replacement for $259.99. The Crystal Halo DRL design looks stunning on any Jeep. If you want a stylish upgrade that doesn't compromise on performance, this one's definitely a contender. These headlights are built to last, featuring a durable aluminum housing and a waterproof rating. The diamond-back textured lens not only looks cool, but also enhances light output. Plus, they come with a plug-and-play adapter for easy installation. This means you can hit the trails faster without the hassle of complicated setups. Here's why this matters. Good lighting is crucial for off-roading, and these headlights provide that without breaking a sweat.
Some users pointed out that the lens could fog up over time. Here's the thing though, as long as they are properly sealed, this shouldn't be a major issue. Just keep an eye on them and you should be good. This is perfect for you if you want to combine style with functionality in your lighting. Skip this one if you prefer a no-frills headlight. Given their design and performance, you're getting a lot for your money. Now, if you're really serious about visibility, the last product is built for maximum brightness.
Product number 5, Rodin Lord Z-shaped Halo DRL headlights. Let's check out the Rodin Lord 9-inch LED headlights, priced at $229.95. These headlights promise upgraded brightness, making them a great choice if you need something that really lights up the trail. If you want maximum visibility for those late-night adventures, this is definitely worth a look. These lights claim to improve your visibility by over 500%, and the independent high beam lens is designed to reach distances of up to 600 meters. Now that's some serious range. The Z-shaped cutoff is also designed to avoid blinding oncoming traffic, which is crucial for safety. What's more, the IP67 waterproof rating protects against the elements. This matters a lot because you want to trust your headlights in all conditions, especially when off-roading. However, a few users have mentioned that the installation process can be a bit tricky, but honestly, if you're comfortable with basic electrical work, you'll find it manageable. It's not a deal breaker if you're up for a little challenge. This is perfect for you if you need the brightest lights for off-roading and night driving. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple and straightforward. For the enhanced brightness and safety features, I think it's worth every penny.
So, there you have it. 5 top contenders for the best LED headlights for your Jeep Wrangler JL. From sleek designs to powerful brightness, each of these options has something unique to offer. Just remember to consider what's most important to you: style, installation ease, or sheer performance. Whichever you choose, you'll be upgrading your Jeep and enhancing your safety on the road. Thanks for watching.